दैट मोमेंट, वो डिफाइनिंग मोमेंट जब आपने अपने पार्टनर की तरफ देखा, यू लुक्ड एट योर पार्टनर एंड रियलाइज्ड लाइफ इज चेंजिंग टुडे. हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू सेंटेड मेमोरीज. मैं हूँ विनीता एंड एज यूजुअल मैं आज भी मेंस फ्रेग्रेंसेस एक वुमेन्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से रिव्यू कर रही हूँ. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, आई थिंक आई स्पीक फॉर मोस्ट वुमेन व्हेन आई से हम नोटिस करते हैं और हम याद भी रखते हैं. आज का वीडियो इज़ ऑल अबाउट वेडिंग फ्रेग्रेंसेस फॉर मेन. परफ्यूम्स जो सिर्फ अच्छे ही नहीं लगते बल्कि मोमेंट्स के साथ, पलों के साथ जुड़ जाते हैं, यादों में खास बन जाते हैं एंड पलों को खास बना जाते हैं. एंड एज यूजुअल मैंने हर बजट का ख्याल रखा है. एटलीस्ट आई ट्राई टू डू सो बिकॉज ऑनेस्टली बजट सबका अपना अपना होता है. लग्जरी हो या अफोर्डेबल, फीलिंग स्पेशल इज व्हाट मैटर्स ऑन योर बिग डे. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट फ्रेग्रेंसेस दैट फील क्लासिक, इमोशनल, कॉन्फिडेंट, रोमांटिक एंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली मेमोरेबल. So the first on the list is Bleu de Chanel by Chanel. Bleu de Chanel is pure classic and timeless elegance. इस perfume के dominant notes हैं fresh citrus, grapefruit, lemon, perhaps bergamot, incense, clean woods, soft musk and warm amber. This is honestly one of the easiest, safest choices for a wedding, and I'm saying that in the best way possible. It smells clean, calm and confident, a beautifully spicy, aromatic and woody scent that embodies the crispy freshness and sensual warmth at the same time. There's something very reassuring about it, like everything around you is under control, even on a busy wedding day, even if inside you are all emotional and nervous and chaotic. This fragrance feels like early morning wedding moments, crisp white shirt, quiet confidence. It offers moderate longevity with moderate projection, with a balanced trail that's noticeable without overpowering. Sexy opening and an equally sensual dry down. I think it's one of the most versatile fragrances ever. If you don't want to overthink and still want to smell timeless and classy, Bleu de Chanel is that dependable choice जो कभी गलत नहीं होता. This is the kind of scent जो loud नहीं होता but presence जरूर बनाता है. Next I have Oud Wood by Tom Ford. Oud Wood feels like royal memory. Smooth, refined oud, sandalwood, cardamom, smoky woods. This is not loud oud, this is soft-spoken luxury. The cardamom adds warmth, the woods make it feel deep and serious. It feels like walking into a beautifully decorated wedding hall where everything feels rich, calm and important. This fragrance gives that legacy energy, जैसे ये wedding सिर्फ एक event नहीं है, एक कहानी है जो generations तक याद रहेगी. Perfect for evening weddings, grand venues and that majestic groom aura. Longevity is good, lasts all day with a moderate, sophisticated and refined projection which is not aggressive, and a rich woodsy trail that lingers elegantly. It smells like legacy, जैसे ये moment important है और हमेशा याद रहेगा. So the next on the list is Aventus Absolute by Creed. This one feels like celebration bottled. Juicy pineapple, bergamot freshness, smoky woods, warm Abraxan vibe. It's like an exquisite, fresh, fruity, spicy, woody, ambery, musky cloud. This fragrance feels joyful, confident and victorious. It smells like happiness that has finally arrived. It gives "we made it" energy, confident smiles, big moments. This is for the groom who wants to enjoy his day fully, laughing, dancing, hugging people and smelling unforgettable while doing it. Super longevity, 8 to 12 hours typically, strong, confident and noticeable projection and a powerful and memorable trail. ये वो सेंट है जो खुशी को हाइड नहीं करता. इसको पहन के लगता है कि आज सेलिब्रेशन करना बनता है. Up next I have Jazz Club by Maison Margiela. Jazz Club feels like a quiet, emotional evening after all the noise. Rum, tobacco, creamy vanilla, warm woods. It perfectly complements the moments after all the dancing is over, when the noise fades a little, glasses clinking softly, people talking in low voices, और कहीं एक हल्की सी धुन, a gentle tune is playing somewhere in the background. This fragrance feels like sitting close, soft lights, tired feet, but a full heart. Rum and tobacco give depth, and vanilla adds comfort. It smells intimate, mysterious, nostalgic, and romantic. Perfect for reception nights or after party moments where everything slows down and emotions sink in. This is not about impressing everyone. This is about connecting deeply. Long lasting, lasts almost all day with a moderate projection. Smooth and warm without shouting and leaves a cozy, intimate trail. ये परफ्यूम शोर के लिए नहीं, कनेक्शन के लिए बना है. जब लाइट्स थोड़ी डिम हो जाती है और बातें थोड़ी पर्सनल, ये सेंट परफेक्ट लगता है. इसमें वो वार्मथ है जो दिल के पास रह जाती है. Up next, I have L'Homme Intense by Prada. This fragrance feels gentlemanly and emotional and so very nostalgic. The keynotes here are iris, amber, tonka, and perfect amount of leather and soft woods. The iris makes it clean and powdery, almost formal, like freshly pressed clothes, elegantly powdery, fresh, ambery, woody, warm, comforting, sophisticated, and extremely classy. It feels like respect, stability, and quiet romance. This is perfect for traditional wedding rituals, pairas, sacred moments when emotions are high but everything feels calm and meaningful. Performance is excellent in terms of longevity, projection and sillage. ये fragrance बोलता नहीं लेकिन काफ़ी कुछ कह जाता है. It feels respectful, जैसे आज के दिन emotions को संभाल के रखा हो. Next on the list is Atomic Rose by Initial Parfums. Atomic Rose is bold love, deep rose, full bodied rose, jasmine, vanilla, amber. ये rose intense है and powerful है, not soft, not shy, थोड़ा dramatic, थोड़ा emotional and बहुत ज़्यादा passionate. This fragrance feels like that moment, वो एक moment, वो defining moment जब आपने अपने partner की तरफ देखा, you looked at your partner and realized life is changing today. It's expressive, romantic and unforgettable. Perfect for men and women who want something unique, emotional and slightly daring. It's perfectly and beautifully unisex. The quality here is excellent and it offers top tier performance, outstanding longevity, strong, rich and expressive projection and leaves a bold trail that lingers and gets attention. It's an all season, all weather fragrance, uplifting, mood boosting, confidence boosting and a compliment magnet. It's a scent that smells expensive and sophisticated and sexy and seductive, especially on a man. रोज़ यहाँ सॉफ्ट नहीं है, ये कॉन्फिडेंट है. ये फ्रेग्रेंस उन लोगों के लिए है जो अपने इमोशन से डरते नहीं हैं. दिस इज़ लव विदाउट फिल्टर्स. Up next, I have Afnan Supremacy. It's the collector's edition. This one feels like confidence and celebration combined. Very similar to Creed Absolute Aventus. An affordable substitute for this one. Key accords are citrusy, fruity, floral freshness, spices, ambery, musky, woody base. It opens lively and settles into a rich, warm scent that fills the room. Very festive, very energetic. This fragrance feels like Bharat energy, loud happiness, dancing, smiling and enjoying every second. It smells powerful and joyful at the same time. A great option if you want impact without going ultra luxury. Longevity and projection, beast mode, roughly 8, 9, 10 hours with strong, vibrant presence and projection and a warm and noticeable sillage. अगर आप चाहते हो कि रूम में आपकी presence feel हो, this does that. So these were my emotional wedding fragrance picks for men, from classic and safe to bold and expressive and everything in between, because weddings are not just about how you look, they are about how you remember it. Tell me in the comments which fragrance feels like your story and don't forget to like, subscribe and share Scented Memories, जहाँ हर fragrance एक याद बन जाती है. Till next time, stay fragrant, stay connected. Bye.